Alright, so this is pointer class for data structures. This is PGriffin. First off, for my pointer class, I created quite a few methods. Obviously I created a constructor for my IDD, and the first method that I created was my name as a string, and then from there I created a new array to store my ASCII values in, and then I cast them using a loop to iterate and cast them into an array. Then from there I did a page check to check for a -99 value at the beginning, the first element in every page file, to make sure it was -99 for free space, and stored them temporarily into an array list, and then put them into a regular integer array, so I could iterate through that easier. Let's see, so I ended up returning that array of the free pages so that I had an index to go by. And then in the next method, I was to set the memory location. I decided to use user input for that. Using the array from the previous method, I used a scanner class to prompt the user for a value that of one of the free memory pages that I put into an array. And then after I got the selection, I returned that, and I started the next method, which is to set pointers for the T locations, uppercase and lowercase. And what I did was I created 4 array lists, one for the page, column, row, and then the integer to cast in place of that ASCII value. Then after I did a serialized search through the whole memory array, the three-dimensional memory that we've created, it would insert the coordinates, if you will, to each T uppercase and lowercase location, and what ASCII value to insert in its place. And then I created a two-dimensional array, and I initialized the second dimension to the length of one of these integer array sizes up here. So, and then I initialized the first element to 4, so that I could have for each iteration of the page of the second dimension, I could have what to put, what column, page, and row to put it in. And after that, I returned that two-dimensional array. And then this is the right method that I created. Use arguments of all the above methods, the return values from all the above methods, and in there, what I did was I created a I created a for loop, the length of that second dimension in that array, and for each of those incrementations, I told the stored poems, which is the main memory that we've been working with this semester, and the first one I incremented would be the page, row, column, and then the first element of that two-dimensional array would be the ASCII value to import into that three-dimensional array. And for the cast name in ASCII values, what I did was I took the cast name, and I just copied it into the location that the user was prompted for in one of the previous methods, and then I returned the main three-dimensional array that we've been working with. And then for the last method, I did not use a return value for this one, but I used let's see, it was just to print out and store all the new information that has been added into the array. And this is what I got here. I'll run it for you. So alright, so I just put location, so 78, boom. Alright, that's my cast name right there. And as you can see, let me find this. Come on. Alright, and as you can see, all the T's, uppercase and lowercase, have been changed to their to uppercase and lowercase Q's. Yeah, didn't have to print out my name though in here. I'll have to fix that later. Alright, that's what I got.